Beryl is expected to move steadily northeastward from central Arkansas today into the lower Ohio Valley tonight and into the lower Great Lakes on Wednesday. While the wind speeds associated with Beryl will continue to weaken as it moves farther from the Gulf of Mexico, the storm will continue to be a prolific heavy rain producer as it pushes northeastward. Widespread heavy rains and thunderstorms are likely along and to the northeast of the path of Beryl over the next 2 days with rainfall totals of 2 to 5, from central Arkansas, across southeast Missouri, central to southern Illinois, Indiana into the southern portions of the LP of Michigan and then over portions of upstate New York and Vermont, New Hampshire. These amounts are following the 5 to 10 plus inches of rain that fell along the path of Beryl as it pushed inland earlier Monday along the central Texas Gulf Coast. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes will be possible over portions of the lower Ohio Valley today, followed by the interior Northeast on Wednesday. A higher-end slight risk, at least 25%, of excessive rainfall leading to flash flooding is in effect for portions of upstate New York into Vermont on Wednesday. Flood watches are currently in effect along the path of Beryl from northern Arkansas, northeastward into the southeastern LP. Michigan, affecting over 21 million people. No let-up expected to the string of record-high temperatures being set across large portions of the West. The mid to upper level high that has been anchoring the record heat in the West is not expected to change much over the next several days, as it remains locked in place, stretching from Southern California desert southwest, northward through the Great Basin and across the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies. Excessive heat warnings, watches, and heat advisories are currently in effect for nearly all of Washington state, Oregon, California, Idaho, Nevada and western Arizona. Numerous record-high temperatures are expected across these areas over the next few days, where high temperatures will be anywhere from 10 to as high as 30 degrees above average. In addition to the record-high daily temperatures, the early morning lows are also expected to set records across large portions of the West over the coming 2 mornings. The multi-day length and record warm overnight temperatures will continue to cause heat stress to anyone without adequate cooling and hydration. Elsewhere, much above average temperatures also likely to remain in place along much of the east over the next few days. While there is not forecast to be many record-high temperatures across the east over the next few days, numerous record-high minimum temperatures are likely from the eastern Gulf Coast, through the southeast, mid-Atlantic and into southern New England. Heat advisories are currently in effect across large portions of the south, southeast, mid-Atlantic and southern New England, with this likely to continue over the next few days. An excessive heat warning is in effect across portions of southwestern West Virginia for this afternoon due to the combination of hot temperatures and high humidity create a dangerous situation in which heat-related illnesses are likely.